Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of s minus 1. Later that we do first the derivative of this one. And you got about the s over number 2 with the square root of s minus 1. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so I will put number 2 go to the left. And you got about 2 du equals to the s over the square root of s minus 1. This one we change by u. The s over the square root of s minus 1 we change by 2 du. And we have e to the power of u plus c. About u, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.